Looks like it's time for us to go. Dun, 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 dun. I wish I was a Power Ranger. Welcome back to day 4 of my Puerto Vallarta series. I know it's probably like the 3rd video, but it's day 4 of me being in Puerto Vallarta. We took an Uber to Playa Los Muertos. It's a pier down in Puerto Vallarta. Now, before we got on the boat to Yelapa, we stopped at this place called the Pancake House. I did have footage of it. I wish I could show you what we ate there in the restaurant, but unfortunately, I don't have the video footage. However, if you are in Puerto Vallarta and you are looking for breakfast, I highly encourage you to stop at the Pancake House. From the Pancake House, we jumped on I guess it was like a speedboat. It was about a 30-minute ride to Yelapa. If anyone else been on a speedboat, it was my first time being on a speedboat. It was super fast and the ride was very exciting. But that is where our journey began. Welcome back, guys. We are in Yelapa and we're going to tackle that waterfall hike that we didn't get to do last time. Now, from my understanding, I think it was like $25, he said. It's like 45-minute ATV hike and then like 20 to 30-minute walk. So we only got like 5 hours. So we're about to do this right now. Knock this out. That way we don't waste the time. We can chill on the beach. And that was the same guy that when we were here the other time.
Really?
The guy that was on the boat with us in the front. That's the same guy.
Oh, the boat? Yeah. I thought you meant the men that pulled us to the side. I was like, I remember that. Nice.
Oh, no. All they gotta do is roast pigs on this island. Be a little bit like Hawaii.
This is hard. These sandals are doing really well.
This is like sandbags. This ain't dirt. It's sand taking.
The only thing is, it doesn't keep the sand from getting in the sandal, but
oh, look.
still staying on.
Hey, you remember us?
Hola, mi amigo.
Yeah, he like a...
With the camera in the hand.
Yeah. He like, oh, the camera's back. The camera's, look, we want to go hiking.
Hey, buddy.
All right, we want to...
The plane today, you want to go to see the jungle?
Yeah, we want to go jungle. That's why we came back.
But they're really cute, though. You want to hold them, my friend?
No, we about to go hiking.
You want to smoke? I got to put you on.
Oh, what?
Yeah, look.
Oh, no, I don't smoke.
Hey, cheaper price.
You're cheaper price. Yeah. We'll see.
I don't know, I got it. Oh, never. Hey,
Chilling. $50 to do a round trip 2-hour hike. He said it'd be like 4 or 5 hours if you hike by yourself. So 2 hours there. I guess you spend an hour there, a 2-hour walk back. 5 hours, but it's now turned into a 2-hour hike. ATV ride 70% of the way. You walk the last 30%. Looks like it's time for us to go. Dun, 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 dun. I wish I was a Power Ranger.
We might be both going on the same one.
That's cool. I'm cool with that. I forgot the memory card anyway for the GoPro, so that sucks. So we got one more edition. Well, 2. We have Eddie. This edition, and this lady right here. Once I get her name. Actually, Poppy here. For Parasailing last time. I was the one that chickened out. Good. The sun is really getting to me. Look at this.
I'm sorry, I don't ask for your name.
Oh, Melissa.
Okay.
Oh, good in the neighborhood.
I felt like
Yeah.
I kick out your woman.
No, she wanted to get in front. Yeah, I was the chicken.
Hola. Adios.
There you go.
This was last minute for me.
I know. Got 4 horses.
So hot. Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. Here comes the wood. Girl, are you serious?
She is.
Where are we going?
I know.
Yes.
Oh my God.
Underwater here. Oh, they saw.
I know.
Oh, I need a video. It's fine.
It's so funny because we could walk across this last time. Yeah. What? I hope not. No, he seems to be like, nah, we're good.
Yeah. Oh, it's actually not where we are.
Okay, good.
What's up? My husband, he's big, he's bigger. We go on the water at the water park.
Yeah.
Guys, they go. My kids, Mom, how do you go? So I've been doing the water park with them all summer. Because they have like year-round passes.
That's it.
I don't want to go to the amusement park anymore. It makes me sick.
It's scary for me.
If this thing falls over on me.
I don't think we'll have that kind of luck. He seems pretty confident.
Yeah, did I tell you my first night here? We got stuck under a lightning storm, and then our engine blew up on a boat. $134, and they didn't give us our money back. Ooh, that's pretty.
What's on here? 4.
Oh yeah, you forgot how to count.
Yeah.
Listo, a caminar.
That's it? Okay.
Oh, now we walk? Just walk.
We walk that way, right?
Yes, let's go. Vámonos.
Vámonos. A la playa.
Hike time. Hurrah, hurrah.
Gracias para imaginar.
You ever see that movie Stand By Me?
Yeah.
That part they were like, lollipop, lollipop, oh lolly, lollipop. That reminds me of this part. This part of the hike. I ain't snorkeling.
Hey, you go that way.
Yeah, she said you go that way. She's crazy.
Go see what's out there.
No, I'm good that way.
This is other room.
You don't like traveling with women?
I did, but
She said I did, but
not anymore.
it can be a little bit of inconvenience. No shame, Melissa. Not talking about you. I think she knows what I'm talking about.
Wait, what's your
Like,
name? I didn't think you were talking about me until you said no shade. Yeah. You watched Jurassic Park?
oh, does this place remind you of Jurassic Park? Oh my God, I've been saying it.
Watch the pterodactyls are gonna fly out of
Yeah, what? Yeah, for the children. Vegetation.
Really? Crocodile?
Where? Oh, I won't fall, trust me. I had my whole arm about the water. Before I
Floating down the
yeah,
river.
I got the camera, it's okay. Before you grab me, grab the camera. What you doing?
I'll grab your hand, you'll smack it out. Grab the camera.
We ain't got no crocodiles, right?
No, not in this crocodile.
Yeah, she playing. The tour guide's leaving us. It's like, let's go. Hut to.
I bet you wish you had some water shoes.
Look, she's like teasing and stuff. She is a mess. She's damn near right. Got some puppies on the journey. Great. it comes up. See, no, we gotta put this camera away. It's rain. Look at the dog. Word of advice: do not do these barefoot. Water shoes, or just sacrifice some ugly tennis you don't want. Don't do it barefoot. Finally, we made it. A little blood, just a very tiny bit. A lot of sweat, no tears. Easy to get on right there. Or we're gonna be like my lift over there and climb up this way. Let's go. Sit down, sit. Thank you.
I was on like a high after that. That was a natural high because I had to scratch that off my bucket list. Parasailing is something that I always wanted to do, and I'm glad I got to do it there on the island of Yelapa. It's just really not an island. It's like another part of Puerto Vallarta. But anyway, after parasailing, we just chilled on the beach. It started raining, started drizzling, and it was almost time to head back to Puerto Vallarta. So we got back to Puerto Vallarta where it rained even harder. So what we did was we just picked up some food and called it a night. And that is the end of day 4 in Puerto Vallarta. I have one more day to show you guys, but thank you so much for every single one of you guys who have been watching and tuning in. I greatly do appreciate it. Please share, subscribe, like, leave a comment. I greatly do appreciate all of you guys' support in this journey. This is now my 11th video here on YouTube, and I think I've been doing this for like 5 months now. 5 months in. But again, thank you guys so much for your support. Continue to be safe out there, and I can't wait to see you guys next week. Have a good day.